The heart is an organ which beats continuously to act as a pump for the transport of blood, which carries other substances within it. Okay, so mainly the function of heart, okay, is to beat continuously. Why it is beat continuously? It is act as a pump, okay, for the transport of blood. Okay, why it is necessary to transportation of blood? Can you tell me?
So without blood, our body will stop working.
Hmm. So mainly blood, okay, it is a connective tissue. Okay, so it mainly it has many functions in which, as you all know, that digestion occur in our stomach and it absorbed in the small intestine. Okay, from this small intestine, this absorbed, you can say, substances are needed to put forward to other cells of the body also. Okay, so that's why blood act as a, you can say, carrier, okay, in our body, and it also necessary to exchange of gases. And this blood, okay, contains deoxygenated gas. It just pump out into the heart, and from heart it goes to oxygenated blood to the different parts of the body. It this all things can be done by this blood, so it is very important thing, so which carries other substances with it. It means other substances means like absorbed minerals, okay, and food, or you can say that gases. Imagine a pump working for years without stopping. Absolutely impossible. Yet our heart works like a pump non-stop. Let us now learn about the heart. The heart is located in the chest cavity with its lower tip slightly tilted towards the left. Okay, you can see on figure also. So you have to hold your fingers inward on your palm, that makes you fist. Okay, your heart is roughly the size of your fist. Okay, so what will happen if the blood rich in the oxygen and the blood rich in carbon dioxide mix with each other? To avoid this from happening, okay, the heart has four chambers. So if you look at the structure of this heart, okay, there are different sections in it. Okay, so when I read, you just matched them also. Okay, so it has four chambers. Okay, the two upper chambers are called atria, or single, in single word is called atrium. So this is right atrium, okay, this is left atrium. These are two chambers, and the two lower chambers are called ventricles. So you can see, okay, this is right ventricles and this is left ventricle. So mainly four chambers are here. Okay, two atrium and two ventricle. So why the partition of, you can see the partition between these chambers. Okay, when you see figure, the partition, why this partition is occur here? Because the partition between the chambers helps to avoid mixing up of blood, okay, rich in oxygen with the blood rich in carbon dioxide. Okay, so to understand the functioning of the circulatory system, start from the right side of the heart in 11.3 and follow the arrows. Okay, so you have to just start from the right hand side, okay, of the heart and follow the arrows. So if you follow these arrows, show the direction of blood flows from the heart. Okay, so to the lungs and back to the heart from the where it is pumped to the rest of the body. Okay, so you can see here, from the aorta, okay, there are blood comes in, okay, So if you just follow them, okay, pulmonary artery, and when blood comes here from this is mainly whenever you see the right one, this is contain the deoxygenated blood, and from here it passes out through vena to the lungs, which contain the oxygenated blood. So if you see the heartbeat, the walls of the chambers of the heart are made up of muscles, as you know. These muscles contract and relax rhythmically. Okay, this rhythmic contraction followed by its relaxation constitute a heartbeat. So, can you tell me the heartbeat of a normal adult? We already read about it.
So 72.
Yes, it's good. Okay, so what do you understand by excretion?
So the process by wastage of our body removes out.
Yes, mainly we can say that removal of wastage from our body. Okay, so mainly kidneys are the main organ. Okay, to do this function. Okay, so we already read about that. So does sweat serve any other function? Okay, function evaporation etc. We just remember that. Hmm. This chapter is completed already, no? Full chapter last week.
So yes.
Okay. Yes, in plants also we read about it already. So which organism excrete in the form of uric acid?
Sir?
Which animals are excrete in the form of uric acid?
Animal. Sir, lizards,
Hmm.
birds, the
Yes.
land animals.
Yes. Mainly birds, insect, and lizard excrete uric acid. Okay. So can you tell me that why they excrete in the form of uric acid, semi-solid form? This is because to conserve water. Okay. Because sometimes you can say the birds have to be fly away from they do migration from kilometers to kilometers, they have to fly. Okay, so their body will be make that type that they can conserve their water, so they excrete in the form of uric acid only. So you have to give the answers of these questions. I think we okay. Okay, let's start from the first again. So stomata is match the columns. Stomata is matched with.
Stomata. Sir, transpiration. Then
Okay. Second one, xylem.
the transport of water.
Hmm. Xylem is mainly needed for transport of water. And root hairs.
Absorption of water.
Hmm. Phloem.
Transport of food.
Transport of food. Good. So now we move to the fill in the blanks. All students will be answer. Okay. Who is not giving answer, I will ask personally. Okay. The blood from the heart is transported to all parts of the body by the
Arteries.
arteries. Okay. Good. Okay. Next is hemoglobin is present in
Red blood cells.
arteries and veins are joined by a network of
Capillaries. Capillaries.
the rhythmic expansion and contraction of the heart is called
Heartbeat.
hmm. The main excretory product in human beings is
urea. Yeah.
sweat contains water and
Salt.
okay. Kidneys eliminate the waste material in the form called
Urine.
water reaches great heights in the trees because of suction pull caused by
Transpiration.
transpiration pull. Choose the correct option. In plants, water is transported through
Xylem. Xylem.
water absorption through roots can be increased by keeping the
So, under the fan. The fan.
yes. Okay. One thing is there that what do you understand by this xylem? Word xylem and phloem.
So, xylem is found in plants.
What is it actually?
Flute type.
No, xylem is actually.
Sir, I will tell.
Yes, tell.
Sir, it is responsible for
No, I'm not saying about its use or responsible. I'm saying what is it is actually. Xylem is a complex tissue. It is also a type of tissue. Okay, xylem and phloem. So these are called as complex tissues. Okay. So water absorption under the fan, okay, can be increased. So what do you understand by the why it is happen that when we put these roots under the fan, okay, water absorption will be increased. Why it is happen? Can you tell?
sir if
Yes.
wind will reach
Hmm.
to the leaves.
Yes. Actually, under the fan, you can say that it increase the humidity. Okay, and it's you can say the wind velocity will be increased here. So that's why water absorption will be higher. So why is transport of material necessary in a plant or in an animal? Explain, or you can explain in your own words also. It is not necessary to just say the answer, proper answer. Transport of material. Why it is necessary?
So it is important because
Hmm.
so we can also tell in Hindi.
Yes.
Sir,
Tell.
बॉडी में बहुत सारी
Hmm.
फंक्शंस परफॉर्म होते हैं.
Yes.
सर तो वो फंक्शंस में बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जिनका ट्रांसपोर्ट होना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट होता है तभी फंक्शंस होंगे वरना नहीं.
Okay. Okay.
Because of sir nutrients and oxygen.
Yes. Mainly, we can include in this as functions. Okay. All functions is included like nutrition, whatever you say, oxygen, respiration, all necessary processes. Mainly, uh, necessary processes for us is like that digestion, then respiration, okay, excretion. For all these things, transport of material is necessary because whenever we eat something, okay, somehow it also creates some toxins. So removal of these toxins also necessary, okay, and when we eat that food, absorption also necessary to perform some work. So it is mainly the form of glucose you can say, or in the whatever form is absorbed, it has to be transported. Okay, so उसे शरीर के एक भाग से दूसरे भाग में जाना जरूरी है. इसीलिए जो है हम मेनली कह सकते हैं कि ट्रांसपोर्ट होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। मेनली जैसे व्हीकल्स में आप देखते हैं आजकल अगर आपके ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम चल रहा है अच्छे से तो बहुत आपको सुविधाएं मिलती हैं, ठीक है। तो वही ट्रांसपोर्ट अगर हमारी बॉडी में भी है तो उसमें क्या होगा कि हमारे फंक्शंस क्या होंगे, ईजी हो जाएंगे और वो नेसेसरी भी हैं, ठीक है। सो नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट विल हैपन इफ देयर आर नो प्लेटलेट्स इन द ब्लड? इट इज
So
ऑल्सो ए
if
गुड क्वेश्चन।
platelets will not be in the blood, so the blood will flow.
Hmm.
So because platelets are responsible for clotting of blood.
Yes. Yes. Other students, any other students also want to give answer? Fifth one question. If there are no platelets, okay, as you all know that platelets. Yes. You. Yes. Say Sanya. Say.
Sir, the blood platelets are responsible for the clotting of the blood.
Hmm.
If there are no platelets, the
Yes.
blood will not be able to clot and keep flowing.
Yes. As you all know that platelets are responsible for the clotting of blood. Okay. If there are no platelets, the blood will be all started flowing. Okay. Whenever there is cut and it not stops. Okay. It can lead to the death of any organism also. Okay. So it is necessary to be blood clot, and that's why it is necessary to be have platelets in the blood. So what are stomata? Give two functions of stomata. Yes.
Sir, the pores present in the leaf to exchange gases.
Yes.
So the main function is to exchange gases.
One function is second.
Sir, it helps in the transpiration of water.
Yes, good. So mainly two functions it has: transpiration of water, and second one is exchange of gases.
Of gases.
Okay. So I use what you are not giving answer. Mangsa, any other boy, why are not giving answers? Yes, give two functions of stomata. Tell me. Hmm. Whose kitchen work is? Kitchen sounds are here coming here. Mangsha, are you listening to me? Yes. What are the functions of stomata?
So transpiration and exchange of gases.
Okay, good. So you have to also participate whenever I'm asking questions for you. It is you can what you say, you can prepare for your exams also. Okay, it is just necessary. It's not about that we already write these answers and we can remember at the time of exam. It's not okay. So it help you in future also if you kept in your mind something. These are basic things. So next question: what are the components of blood?
Sir, red blood cells.
Hmm.
Sir, white blood cells.
Yes.
Platelets.
Yes. So there are three components of blood. Okay, mainly RBC, WBC,
White blood cells and
platelets. Okay. So transpiration serve any useful function in the plants also.
So yes.
So what?
सर ट्रांसपिरेशन की वजह से ही तो उनका जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर होता है वो एटमॉस्फेयर में जाता है.
Okay. So mainly this useful function will be done in plants because it only need fixed proportion. Okay. जैसे हमारी बॉडी को फिक्स प्रोपोर्शन में पानी चाहिए वैसे ही प्लांट्स को भी जितना पानी चाहिए होगा उतना ही वो लेंगे. और ट्रांसपिरेशन से अगर हमने मान लीजिए हमें तो पता तो नहीं होता कि कितना पानी देना है पानी को पेड़ को, तो कभी हम एक्स्ट्रा वाटर देते हैं तो वो ट्रांसपिरेशन के थ्रू जो है इवेपोरेट हो जाता है. सो व्हाट आर द कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ ब्लड वीर? व्हाई इज ब्लड needed by all the parts of a body? This question,
Because blood is the most
yes,
important part of our body.
yes.
Sir, because the transport of oxygen.
Hmm.
Sir, it also helps in to fight against diseases.
Yes.
Sir, because it contains the digested food and
Hmm.
oxygen.
Hmm.
It
Has to be.
supplies the oxygen
Hmm.
to various part of the body
Yes.
to provide essential to provide energy.
Yes. Mainly, when you see a term blood, okay, we already read about it, their components. So three components are found within them. Okay, mainly RBC. RBCs are help in the production of which they uh, needed for us to bind the gases. So I am telling you that when we are talk about a term blood, okay, it contains RBC. So RBC's function is that what? RBC's function,
Sir,
red blood cells.
the hemoglobin is present.
Yes.
That makes the color of blood look red. Red.
No, no. So, what are the benefits of color having blood, red blood or white? It is not any usefulness to having blood of red color or any other color. Okay, so due to the presence of say right that yeah, hemoglobin, okay, it is red of color. So this hemoglobin helps in binding of oxygen. You have to give the answer that binding of oxygen, okay, because oxygen is needed to our body, okay, mainly. So first function is, yeah, so RBCs are in blood. So blood need, why blood we need blood? Because you can say that uh, oxygen, okay, binding of oxygen first thing, and second thing is present in that WBC, okay. So why WBC is needed? What is the function of white blood cells? Mainly to fight up against diseases, okay.
Diseases.
Yes, whenever you have any cut, okay, in your finger or anywhere in the body, after a few days you see a small, you can say that pus like is formed there, okay. So this pus is mainly contain WBCs, which are just deposit that place, and they try to that any bacteria will not enter into our body, okay. So if any bacteria just adhere there, okay, in cutting part, so they eventually kill them. So these are the function of WBCs. So that's why you say na that why blood is needed by all parts of our body. So first you say that binding of oxygen, okay. So second, what come out to fight against diseases, you also said that, and platelets, okay, to clot our blood, okay. So that's why it is also not necessary. And third thing is, already know that transportation of food material, whatever we absorbed, okay, in our small intestine, and for exchange of gases. So like that you can, whenever you compare these things, it is easy to understand and learn. So next question is, what makes the blood look red? You all know that.
The hemoglobin.
Hmm.
Sir, hemoglobin.
Yes. What do you mean by that heme? I tell you in class also. What is the meaning of term heme? Heme means iron. Okay, not hemoglobin means iron, and globin is a protein. Okay, globin means protein. So hemoglobin is a type of protein which contain iron. Okay, in that, so it helps in the binding of oxygen. Okay, functions of the heart.
So it pumps blood.
Okay,
The main function.
main function is pumping of blood.
And transport blood.
Yes, Okay.
Sir, and transportation of blood.
Yes, transportation also. Why it is necessary to excrete waste products?
Sir,
Hmm. You can say in your own words.
they will not remove. So these can harm us.
Yes. Okay, these are
We may be suffering from diseases.
okay, good. Okay, any other student? So mainly, whenever we eat something, there are must be a, you can say that some waste products are also found in our body. So they have to be removed because they are harmful for us. As you already tell, they contain some toxins. Okay, which should be removed from our body. Okay, if it is not removed, we can got diseases and mainly our, you can say, functioning, okay, is disturbed. So you can give right answer that. Next is you have to draw a diagram of human excretory system. So which diagram you will make if you have to make excrete? Yes,
Excretory system diagram.
yes. Which diagram you will be make?
Sir, 11.6.
Okay. Mainly you should tell that you make the kidney. Okay, diagram of kidney you have to make and label the various part. You can do it easily. So some extended learning activities and projects are also there. Find out about blood groups and their importance. Okay. So you know the about the blood groups. How many blood groups are found in human
Yes.
beings? Yes, tell.
Yes. So A positive, B positive, A B positive, O positive, O negative,
Hmm. Mainly negative and positive
AB
are
plus.
just because of their antigens and antibody. You just said that A, B, A, B, and O. Okay. So when a person suffers from chest pain, the doctor immediately takes an ECG. Visit a doctor and get information about ECG. You may even look up an encyclopedia or the internet. So can you tell me the full form of ECG? Immediately take to ECG. Okay. So nowadays you are using a lot of internet. Okay, in your home. So just find out about it, and we will discuss about it in the next class. Okay. So some briefing. This is a homework for you. Yeah, extra homework you can say because these are extended learning. Okay. So play a little bit games. One or two games will be left and search about this ECG. Okay. So there is. Did you know there is no substitute for blood? If people lose blood from surgery or injury, or if their bodies cannot produce enough blood, there is only one way to get it through transfusion of blood donated by volunteers. Blood is usually in short supply. Donating blood does not decrease the strength of the donors. Okay, so our chapter is completed now. If you have any confusion, you can ask. Any confusion? Any student? Any students have any confusion or anything problem in this chapter? Any topic in any topic?
No.
Okay.
Sir, no.
Boys?
Sir, no.
Okay. Okay. Electrocardiograph about ECG you have to read in next week. So find something in encyclopedia about that. Okay. And give your own ideas on that. So we'll meet in the next class, students. So I am sending you homework of today. Okay. So you have to complete it. Okay. So we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.